Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the roads in Jamaica. Now the government has been thinking of, or the government is in the process of setting up one authority, one entity to manage all the roads in Jamaica. And it's something that is needed because the roads are in a bad state. And one of the problems is who or what entity is in charge of these roads. Now in Jamaica, you have the main roads, which is the NWA, you have the highways, you have parochial roads, which fall under the parish council, and you have farm roads, which fall under RADA. So sometimes there is discussion about who is responsible for a particular road. The parish council says it's the government, or the NWA says it's a parish council, and they have even been cases where such discussions end up in the courts. So, with the hurricane and passing through Jamaica recently, the roads, and of course, the hurricane brings with it a lot of water and rain, the roads are damaged again. And basically, they need to be repaired. So the government is trying to set up one authority or entity to regulate the management of all the roads in Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening. Consultations will be held with key stakeholders regarding the establishment of the One Road Authority, which will regulate the management of Jamaica's road infrastructure. The regulatory body will monitor and manage various road networks, addressing long-standing issues related to maintenance, accountability, and development. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Infrastructure Development with responsibility for works, Robert Morgan, provided an update on the initiative during the Incorporated Master Builders Association of Jamaica seminar. We are in the thinking stage of it, and we're going to be consulting with the Master Builders Association, the municipal corporations, and others about how we can formulate a comprehensive framework to govern our road infrastructure, he said. He noted that Jamaica has approximately 27,000 kilometers of roads, for which various agencies, including the National Works Agency, the Rural Agriculture Development Authority, and municipal corporations, have responsibility. The minister pointed out, however, that some roads do not fall under any of these entities, posing a challenge when repairs are needed. He said the need for the implementation is critical and will address uncertainty surrounding road rehabilitation and the standards. So imagine placing all roads in Jamaica under one regulatory framework, meaning all roads in Jamaica will be subjected to standards. So if it is a farm road, it has to be subjected to this standard, no matter which parish. If it's a municipal road, it has to be subjected to this standard, no matter which municipality, the minister said. If it is a main road, it cannot be one contractor in St. Thomas fixing the road with this standard, but another one in St. Mary fixing it in another standard. So that's the first thing, streamlining planning and maintenance, he added. Morgan emphasized that the initiative is not a plan by the government to disempower authorities. It is a plan to empower citizens. In the balance of power, we believe that the citizens' interests remain paramount, and at the end of the day, the people really do not care who owns the road. The people care that the road is repaired, he said. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.